Italian marque MV Agusta throws its hat into the retro-tastic ring in 2021 with its neoclassic racer model, the Superveloce 800. Clearly a modern machine, the factory managed to incorporate the flavor of the old cafe racers to deliver an interesting blend indeed. A high-compression triple delivers 148 horsepower with an electronics suite that gives the machine multiple personalities to match your own attitude and skill set. Make no mistake, this is a racebic through and through, but one built for the road rather than the racetrack, just like the original cafe racer bikes. If you can tell a bike from its gaze, that of the MV Agusta Superveloce 800 is truly unique. The headlight unit is characterized by a single elliptical, full LED double function element. The LED position light is integrated in the dashboard support. The rear light cluster features the same technology and was specifically designed for the Superveloce 800. The inline 3-cylinder engine is directly derived from that of the F3 800. Compact in size, it excels in performance and elasticity. With 148 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, it guarantees to supply unforgettable riding emotions on any road, including, of course, track.